Missiles, air strikes, and countries preparing their armies. Right now, the world is watching a dangerous conflict in the Middle East. Instead of experts, today we will hear what two kids think about it. So, welcome to the podcast, Bihan and Mihank.
Thank you for inviting. Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
Mihank, do you know what is war?
Yes. War means fighting. Correct. That's correct. The war means fighting. Sometimes it happens between peoples and sometimes between entire countries. Like when we fight for toys. Yes, something like that. But the war between countries are much bigger and more serious.
That's a very good explanation.
But why countries do fighting? Sometimes because of land, power and politics. That sounds very scary, Bhaiya. Yes, sometimes it can be.
Bihan, have you heard about any current war in the news?
Yes, I recently heard about tension and fighting involving Israel, Iran and United States. Bhaiya, where is Iran? It's a country in the Middle East. So they are fighting there? Yes, there have been airstrikes and missile attacks. I feel scared.
Don't worry, Mihank. Many countries and leaders are trying to stop the situation from getting worse.
Bhaiya, I don't understand something. What? If leaders are angry, why don't they talk to each other?
बात तो सही है.
Yes, sometimes they do talk, but still disagree. I have a better idea. What idea? They should play rock, paper, scissors, shoot. And whoever wins decides. That might solve the problem faster. They should do what our mamas do. What does she do? She gives us reward when we stop the fighting. That is actually a smart idea.
That might be the most peaceful solution we have heard today.
Bhaiya, I have another idea also. What? Leaders should sit together, drink tea, eat samosas, then decide it. That's the Indian solution.
That might actually bring peace faster. But jokes aside, war are very serious.
Yes. But why, Bhaiya? Because people lose their homes. And schools? Yes, sometimes school also. That's really sad, Bhaiya.
That's why peace is so important for the world. Bihan, tell me, if you were the leader of a country, what would you do first to stop a war?
I would talk to the leaders and try to solve the problem peacefully. Because the war hurts innocent people. Yes, you are right. Talking is better than fighting.
Some people are worried that if many countries start fighting around the world at the same time, it could become a bigger war.
You mean World War?
Yes,
That sounds scary. But hopefully the country would solve the problem peacefully. I hope so. Talking is better than fighting.
before we end, one last question. If you could send a message to the world leaders, what would you say?
I would say, please solve the problem peacefully because war hurt innocent people. I would say, be friends. Life is very beautiful. Amazing.
These might be the wisest messages we heard today.
Now, friends, we want to hear from you. We will read your comments. Yes. Bye bye. See you in next video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.